Today we talk about how can you find your list on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on list here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you find all lists you have in this list here. Like you see here, I have no list yet here in my app. So but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your Bluesky app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.